मैं ऑनलाइन मीटिंग में शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहा था।
I was waiting to be added to the online meeting. I was waiting to be added to the online meeting.
कौंसिल खामोशी से मुजरिम का इंतजार करती रही।
The council waited in silence for the offender. The council waited in silence for the offender.
वो अपना मंसूबा हरकत में लाई।
She put her plan in motion. She put her plan in motion.
ऐसा करना बुरा काम होगा।
That would be a wicked thing to do. That would be a wicked thing to do.
इसने ऐसा असतफी दिया कि मैं परेशान हो गया।
He sounded so resigned that I was worried. He sounded so resigned that I was worried.
मैं स्कूल में एक ड्रामे का ऑडिशन देना चाहता था।
I wanted to audition for a play at school. I wanted to audition for a play at school.
इसे किसी ना किसी तरह लगा कि उसे मुंतखब नहीं होना चाहिए था।
He somehow felt he should not have been selected. He somehow felt he should not have been selected.
थोड़ी देर में एक बार खतरा मोल लेने की कोशिश करें।
Try taking risks once in a while. Try taking risks once in a while.
वो अपने बच्चे को अपनी नजरों से दूर नहीं जाने देती थी।
She would not let her child go away from her sight. She would not let her child go away from her sight.
मुझे इस नए साल में बेहतर चीजों की उम्मीद है।
I hope for better things this new year. I hope for better things this new year.